Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. In this video I will answer some questions you've been asking. How do you insert an image into a detail in Gerber version 16? This is Gerber version 16, everyone. With previous versions it was very simple, but with Gerber version 16, if you don't know how, you won't be able to insert an image into the detail like this. And if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Because I know that you've already watched this video and you've watched a lot of videos on my channel, but you still haven't subscribed yet. So please hit the subscribe button right now so that next time I release new videos, you'll see them earlier than others. And now I'll show you how to do it right away. You will go into the AccuMark Explorer section and you will notice that there is an image library line down here. If your computer is newly installed, you won't see any drives here yet. You'll only see the image library. So you need to add it to a drive here. That means we have to create an image library first so that we can insert images into the details, okay? So you'll go to the File section, then go to Options. At this point, you'll see a dialog box here called AccuMark Utility. Click on Config for me. Look below, there's a line called Image Library, which means the image library. Select this for me down here. Choose one of these drives for me, okay? Select this drive for me. Click Apply and then click OK. So now we have the image library section visible and there is a specific drive listed right after it, okay? Now please do the following steps for me. Right click on that drive and then select New Image Library Folder from the menu, which simply means we will create a brand new library folder for all of these images. All right, now I'll give an example. I'll create a folder named 2025, okay? And now we will click the plus sign at the top here and we will click on this folder. You will right click for me in this empty area. You will select Add Image. At this point, you will choose the location where the images you want to add to this library are stored. There, just select any images you want to add to this library. For example, I'll just select 2 images. And now you'll go back to the design section here. For example, I'll create a different detail, right? All right, and now I'll insert the image here. Then you go to the image section. Yes, this image section. And you'll see here there's a line called Place Image. Remember, on the right side, you need to select the trim line, okay? Then you click on the detail that needs to receive it. Now, you'll select the source that leads to that image for me. All right, select this folder for me. All right, okay. Now you'll select the image you want to insert into this detail. Okay, all right, okay. Apply. So as you can see, the image has been inserted here. And now, if you want to change the size of this image, you can also do that by using the resize command. We click on this image and select OK. And you can drag to enlarge or shrink this image. There you go. So you have inserted the image and adjusted its size accordingly. You can move the position of this image to another spot depending on your preference. And if you've watched up to this point, please remember to subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.